Hi, I am Dr. K. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. My subject name is Corporate Accounting and Regulation. My topic name is Kinds of Company. First of all, I will discuss by company meaning. The word company is derived from the Latin word companies, cum meaning together and panis meaning bread. So company means earning bread together. Definition: a company is a voluntary association of persons formed for some common purpose with capital divisible into parts known as shares and with limited liability. It exists only in the eye of law, and it may also be described as a artificial person created by law, having a perpetual succession and a common seal. Kinds of companies. The following types of company can be formed in India according to the provision of the Indian Company Act 2013. Form of the point of view formation. There is a three kinds of company. Chartered company. The earliest company to be established Great Britain were granted royal charter by King or Queen of England. For example of chartered companies, the British East Indian Companies, Bank of England, British East Africa Company, etc. There no chartered company in India. Statutory company. Such company are established by a special act of central or state. They are government by the special act as well as the company law. Life Insurance Corporation, Industrial Financial Corporation, Reserve Bank of India, etc. Registered companies. The company which is established and registered under the Company Act 1956 or any preceding Company Act is known as registered company. From the point of view of liability, there are three kinds of company. Limited company. Such companies are registered under the Company Act and have an authorized capital dividend into specific number of liabilities. The liabilities of each shareholder is limited to the extent of the amount of shares held by full amount. Guarantee company. Like members of company limited by shares, the number of a company limited by guarantee, and also have limited companies. For examples, art, science, culture, religion, charity, literature, sports, common, or any other similar purpose. Unlimited company. Limited of shareholders of such company is unlimited, similar to that of partner in a partnership organization. From the point of view, public investment company may be two kinds. Private company is a company which by its article restrict the right of its member of transfer share limited the number of members of 15 excluding present and past employee members of the company. Public company. Such companies are registered under the Company Act. They invite subscription from public in the form of shares and debenture, which can be freely transferred to other through an open sales at the stock exchange. From the point of view, owner company may be three kinds. Government company. The government company is company in which at least 51% of its paid up share capital is called by the central government, by any state government, or partly by the central government, partly by one or more state government. Holding company. When public company acquired more than 50% of voting right of another company, the purchase company is called holding company. Subsidiary company. The company which has been purchased by holding company is known as subsidiary company. Its board of director is constituted by the holding do. Thank you.